In this tutorial, I'll show you how to plot indicators on hidden data series in NinjaTrader. By the end, you'll have an indicator, like a moving average, calculating from a secondary instrument or time frame that's hidden from view, while still plotting on your main chart for analysis. First, add the hidden data series. Right-click on your chart and select Data Series. In the Data Series window, add the secondary instrument or time frame you want to use. For example, if your main chart is 1 minute, add a 5-minute series here as the secondary. In the settings for that added series, find the visible property and set it to false. This keeps the data loading in the background without showing its candles on the chart. You won't see this series, but it's active and ready for calculations. Next, apply the indicator to the hidden series. Open the indicators window using Ctrl+I. In the list of indicators, select the one you want to use, such as moving average. With the indicator selected, look to the properties on the right and locate the input series parameter. By default, this is set to the primary series, often labeled bars 1. Change the input series to the hidden series you just added, for example, bars 2. This tells NinjaTrader to calculate the indicator from that hidden data instead of your visible chart data. Take a moment to confirm you've targeted the correct series. Using the wrong input will produce incorrect plots. Now configure how it displays. The indicator will calculate based on the hidden data, but will plot on the main chart panel by default. That means you'll see the indicator line on your visible chart, even though it's using the hidden data in the background. If you prefer to keep the plot separate to avoid overlaying it on price bars, adjust the panel property to a different panel number. It will still be calculated from the hidden series, just shown in a separate panel for clarity. Choose the panel that best suits your layout and visibility needs. At this point, the setup is complete. You've added a secondary data series, made it invisible, directed your indicator to use that hidden series for its input series, and confirmed how and where it plots. You should now see the indicator drawing on your chart, and its values will reflect the hidden instrument or time frame you selected, not the visible one. If you used a 5-minute hidden series, for example, the plot will move in line with the 5-minute data while remaining on your main chart or in the panel you chose. If something looks off, revisit the same properties you adjusted. Ensure the secondary series is set to visible false so it doesn't clutter the chart, and double-check that the indicator's input series points to the hidden series, such as bars 2, rather than the default bars 1. Small mismatches there are the most common cause of unexpected plots. That's all you need to plot indicators on a hidden data series in NinjaTrader. Your indicator is now driven by the hidden series and displaying exactly where you want it. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.